Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going to unlock some powerful natural secrets for men's health. These aren't some new age fads. They are remedies that have been trusted for centuries, and we're about to break down exactly how they support vitality and strength. So let's just dive right in. Forever, men have been looking for ways to maintain their vigor. But let's be honest, a lot of the common solutions feel like a trade-off, right? They often come with a whole list of side effects you just don't want. But what if there was a better way, a totally natural path to getting that spark back? Okay, so let's look at the two options. On one side, you've got synthetic pills. Sure, they can offer a temporary fix, but they often come with that laundry list of side effects, headaches, and even serious strain on your heart. But on the other side, nature's approach is, it's holistic. It's not about just treating one symptom. It's about nourishing and strengthening your entire body for real, long-term benefits. And here's something that's really important to get. This is rarely some kind of personal failing. Far more often, it's a straightforward physiological issue. It really just comes down to mechanics, specifically the circulation of blood throughout the body. Simple as that. Now, before we get to our 3 natural solutions, we gotta understand the science behind them. And don't worry, it's actually super simple. It all comes down to this one incredibly important molecule, nitric oxide. Think of it as your body's own internal signal for managing blood flow. And here's how that works. It's a really simple, elegant system. Step 1, your body produces nitric oxide. Step 2, that nitric oxide tells the muscles in your blood vessels to just relax. They widen up. And step 3, boom, blood flow increases, going exactly where it's needed. All 3 of the natural solutions we're about to cover work by supporting this fundamental process. Okay, let's get to our first natural solution. And it's a summer favorite that holds a powerful secret, hidden right in plain sight. So the key compound here is something called citrulline. When you eat watermelon, your body takes this amino acid and converts it into arginine. And arginine is the direct precursor to nitric oxide. So you're literally providing the raw fuel for that whole blood flow process we just talked about. And hey, the bonus is, it's also great for your heart and your overall vascular health. Win-win. And here is a pro tip. Straight from our research. You're gonna wanna hear this. Most of us, we just throw this part away, but the white part of the watermelon rind, right under the green skin, has the highest concentration of that powerful citrulline. So for the biggest impact, don't throw away the most potent part. All right, our second secret isn't a fruit, it's a root. We're talking about red ginseng, especially from Korea. It's been revered for centuries in traditional medicine as a source of endurance, energy, and, you guessed it, male vitality. Now, the active compounds in ginseng are called ginsenosides. And just like watermelon, they help stimulate nitric oxide production to improve blood flow. But, and this is a big but, ginseng also works on a second super crucial front. It helps support your endocrine system, normalizing testosterone levels. That's the key hormone for male vitality. So you're getting a real 2-for-1 benefit here. Now, this isn't like taking a pill right before you need it. Ginseng works best when its effects build up in your system over time. That's why the sources suggest taking it in cycles. Maybe a couple of months on, followed by a month off. This approach helps maintain its effectiveness for real, long-term improvement. And finally, let's look at our third natural powerhouse, the pomegranates. In ancient cultures, this fruit was seen as a symbol of fertility and abundance. And as modern science is showing us, they were absolutely onto something. Pomegranate is an absolute champion of antioxidants. We're talking even more potent than red wine or green tea. Its key compounds don't just boost nitric oxide, they actively protect and repair the inner lining of your blood vessels. So this isn't just a temporary boost, it's a deep down improvement to your entire vascular system. On top of all that, it gives crucial support for prostate health. So what's the best way to get these benefits? It's pretty simple, actually. Just start incorporating it into your diet. 1 glass of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice or the seeds from a single fruit each day. That's all it takes. It's a delicious, simple investment in your long-term health. Okay, so we've looked at 3 incredible natural products. Let's bring it all together and get a clear summary of how these powerhouses work to support men's strength. And this table just lays it out perfectly. Watermelon gives you the raw fuel for nitric oxide. Red ginseng gives you that 1-2 punch of better blood flow and hormonal support. And pomegranate? It not only boosts blood flow, but also protects the whole system, including the prostate. I mean, each one is powerful on its own, but together they offer a truly comprehensive approach. So, what's the big takeaway here? It's pretty clear, isn't it? True lasting strength isn't something you find in a quick fix. It's built by nourishing your body from the inside out, by addressing the root causes and supporting your overall health for the long run. You see, as we've shown, the power to reclaim your vitality might not be in a pharmacy. It could already be in your kitchen. Nature has provided all the tools. The only question left is, how are you going to use them?